last conference, hindi naka-day off. So, kano kayo ka-gutom yung conference na makabawi? For both?
Yeah, for me, last conference is really frustrating for us because everybody expecting us to do well, but there's a lot of things happen in the team, especially getting the right players to the team, and then the motivation is too low because of some of the, especially the imports not performing, and there's nothing to be blamed, but it's not an excuse, it's a learning process for us. But this time, which is the All Filipino, everybody thinking na this is our conference, but I told them that don't be complacent. Although we won a lot of championship in the All Filipino in the last decade, it's not a guarantee. We could get a win easily because, as I said, there are a lot of teams are looking forward for this championship because that is a very prestigious conference.
CJ.
Yun nga, sobrang frustrating na parang first time ko ata hindi nakapasok sa simula nag-umpisa ako sa San Miguel. And yeah, pero naging motivation sa amin na magtrabaho talaga. We've been practice for
4 weeks.
4 weeks. Nag-practice talaga namin.
Kami pala 4 weeks, pero kayo 2 weeks.
Siyempre, yun nga, pinaghandaan namin, talaga nagpa-condition kami, nag-focus kami sa defense, kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin. And yun nga, nung last conference, wala naman tayong sisisihin. Sa amin yun, sa team talaga yun, and nagkulang kami, pero ngayon we have a chance na bumawi at this conference.